Hi, this is Nivedit and this is my first unboxing video. This is Nokia all new Nokia 5.1 Plus. It has the latest Android 1, the stock Android, and at the back side you get a 5.8 display, 13:5 dual rear camera, 8 megapixel front camera, AI supported, and this is the pity pack which we get. Some paperwork also you get with this. Google Duo unboxing this and all. Let us unbox it. So this is what you get: your phone, the Nokia 5.1 Plus, all glossy, very glossy phone. I've purchased the blue version, the moonlight blue color, but it seems to be black only, a little bluish finish. You get the SIM ejector tool, some more paperwork of Nokia, and you get a earphone. With Nokia 6.1 you didn't get any earphone, but here with the cheaper version you're getting a earphone. And this is the charger, and this is the C-type charger. You can connect it anywhere. It have the same size of slot, so you're getting a C-type charger, but it doesn't support fast charging. Just we unwrap this. And this is all Nokia 6 5.1 Plus. I pardon. You get the latest notch. This is a bigger version of it. In Nokia 6.1 Plus you get a smaller notch, but here you get a bigger one. You can see the same gloss finish which you got in Nokia 6.1 Plus, you also get in Nokia 5.1 Plus. There is this dual camera, 13 by 5 megapixels, and this is 19:9 ratio full HD display. Sorry, HD display, this is not full HD. And a 5.8 inch of screen size. That's all from here. Signing off, Nivedit. Do subscribe and like this video.